What kind of product is good AI product? How to build an AI central product? Um, I got to share some of my opinions that how you can do that and kind of can save your time and at least prevent some possible mistakes you could make. Yeah, that's our topic today. And if you would like to receive more technology related analysis like this, don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, back to our topic: how to build an AI centric, AI friendly product. What I mean by AI friendly product, it's you may know what's actually power. What actually power AI is data. If you don't have data, you cannot build any meaningful AI products, right? So that's the first thing. You need to have data. But the problem is usually you don't have data in the first place. If you want to build something, you probably don't have data to begin with. So that's why design your products to be able to collect the data efficiently, effectively. That's super important. That's extremely crucial for the success of AI company. For example, if you are building maybe a mobile app, maybe the video app, then how can you design this UI that allows you to get some user feedback easily? I give you one example: TikTok. TikTok is definitely a short form video social media, and the power of TikTok is actually, in my opinion, is the way how it can collect the data, collect the user feedback effectively, because it only shows you one video at a time, so that you don't have other distractions like YouTube. YouTube shows a lot of uh, sidebar, that kind of things, the recommender videos. So if a user stay in the one YouTube video for long, you don't know what they are actually staying. Maybe they are reading comments or something like that. And also YouTube have the web page. The web page, they just definitely showing a lot of things. They user interface distract people, and sometimes people on the YouTube, they click off click another video. Basically, doesn't mean the original video they're watching is not good enough. Just means other video title is more clickbaity, so they click. In the contrary, TikTok user only see one video at a time. If user really swipe off the video, then that means they find the videos just another interesting. So it's a very strong signal to judge if the user really interested in the video. Then the algorithm will know that and try not to recommend the similar videos to this user next time. And gradually doing that, they can build out a very strong data, user data, and so that's easy to train a very, very, very quality algorithm. In the machine learning world, basically, it's very transparent that most people publish their algorithm and source code. So it's not easy to build your data, your mode by algorithm. What's really molding your business is actually data. In TikTok example, is like they have this unique data about user. Other company, even you have the state-of-the-art algorithm, you cannot build it. You cannot really build a model that is superior than TikTok because you don't have data of your users. So that's what I mean by use data AI friendly design. That's basically you need to have this AI machine learning goal in mind when you do actually design your product. And a lot of companies actually they don't consider using machine learning models at first. They just design their products, and after they grow really big, they wanted to add the AI power to power their product to add more value. But usually at that point in time, it's just too late to make your UI design to be AI friendly, because they may fundamentally change the way the user interact with your product. Because changing the UI doesn't mean you just change the surface, the decoration of your product. You actually change the whole user experience. That's my opinion. So how you keep your product aligned with the AI goal, the machine learning goal, to collect more data, then allow data scientists to train more powerful models. That's the way you build out your data mode. And that's super important, because if you just build your product data mode, if you just build your mode by the data, the AI algorithm, they just doesn't make sense, because AI algorithms, basically everyone can read the state-of-the-art algorithm, and you need to have someone they really know what they're doing to build up the model training pipeline. But it's not that hard compared to collecting data. For example, how much data you Google has in terms of search. No one can compete with that. Maybe you can come up with the very, very reasonable performance search algorithm, but you cannot build the really, really good search engine compared to Google, because you don't have the amount of data, right? So that's the whole point. That's the whole point. Okay, so that's all I want to share with you today. If you would like to receive more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And other than that, I will see you next time.